Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. 2009 for Bitcoin and 2015 for Ethereum. But how many of us knew that the year 2015 marked another master cryptocurrency's advent? Not many, until it became the third most popular crypto money, smashing 74% up last year. That's the Cardano network, now considered as one of the most scalable systems in the World Economic Forum. Before we dig into the Cardano price prediction, let us have a look at some of the unique features of this altcoin. What is Cardano? The network is also the world's first ever peer-reviewed decentralized blockchain solution, and ADA is the native cryptocurrency that powers that protocol. It was created by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson and launched in September 2017. The altcoin has a supply limit of 45 billion tokens, and reports even say that 95% of ADA coins are held by Japanese people. Considered to be a third-generation blockchain, the project is different from Bitcoin or that of many others. Fundamental analysis: the blockchain is halved into two layers, namely the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. Sounds complicated? Not anymore. Let's see how the layers add meaning to the network stars. The CSL stimulates the peer-to-peer transactions within the network using the Ouroboros mechanism. On the flip side, the smart contract mechanism is taken over by the CCL layer, allowing a seamless progression in both segments. Cardano price prediction 2021: the asset started with a bullish trend at the beginning of the year. Later, the altcoin hit an all-time high of $2.40 as the Cardano Foundation published an infographic that suggests its ADA cryptocurrency is ideal for Tesla. When the market crashed on May 19, the price plunged substantially to $1.48 from $2. The month of August began with a bullish note. After crashing down close to $1, the digital asset has now bounced back up to reclaim its place on the market charts. The price has hit new ATH at $3.08 with the launch of smart contracts around the corner. Cardano price prediction 2022: if this year closes on reaching the predicted high, Cardano stock might resume the trade in 2022, bullish. So, the 2022 yearly trade may begin with bullish values between $5.244 and $7.342 or more if the smart contract development is successful. However, if this year ends with the price falling into a bearish trap hitting the lows, ADA price might trade between $2.298 to $2.521. Cardano price prediction 2030: the more long-term the investment, the harder it is to predict its outcome. However, Cardano has a lot of things going for it. It has good adaptability to change, a solid roadmap, a dedicated and talented team behind it, and it is eco-friendly. All these factors mean it's here to stay. While it is impossible for ADA price prediction 2030 and beyond, we think it is a good long-term investment. It is likely that the ADA price will continue to rise and may even reach the $50 mark in 2030. Our Cardano price prediction: if Cardano focuses on building the user base, turning it from developing to developed network, as well as its protocol, it may gain new investors, raising the year-end's figures to $3.114. Also, investors with FOMO will start investing in ADA since it is trending post Elon Musk stepping back from Bitcoin. If any negative perceptions and external forces strike as Cardano stock is still a developing project, the bears may take over, leaving the price to plunge deep to $1 by 2021 end.